I need the rest of Kenneth's cubes.
What about your friends? You think they're all gonna stay in the creek forever with you? Yeah, I'm still a kid.
Looks like we have some competition for the heart of the forest.
Not so easy being the comic relief, now is it?
Attention!
Getting the top slot on the refrigerator chart is not easy.
You have to be tough.
And you have to be...
Winner.
Yeah, what she said.
What does a winner do when life gives him lemons? He squeezes them right back into life's eyes.
Don't miss an all-new episode of The Amazing World of Gumball, Tuesday,
7/6 Central.
only on Cartoon Network.